Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, coming at you from Massachusetts. Welcome back to my channel, Crafty Angels. And today I'm here with some Happy Mail. I have no idea who it's from. They didn't put their name on the envelope. I pre-opened it. And, ooh, love the little, ooh, cute. And, oh, it's some black tea. Cool. I like the washi tape. It says, Dear crafty friend, happy birthday, Vanessa. May the year ahead and beyond be filled with happiness and joy. Miss Jessica, thank you very much. This is very pretty. And I will be drinking this tea and using this washi tape. We will see what I do with it. Stay tuned. Okay, so I will say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Also, please be blessed, be kind, stay crafty, be safe, stay safe. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now.